this episode of Andreas Doing Art. I'm doing a giant spray paint mural in the sewer way. What's up, dudes? Ooh, man, we are back with another episode of me, Andreas, doing some art. That's right. So today, decided to do some street art. So I had to leave my place, and I couldn't leave this place without leaving my mark, right? You know? I figured I'd do a giant spray paint mural. I got this super sick sewer right behind my house, so I went to the store, grabbed a bunch of cans of spray paint, hopped on the skateboard. Yeah, you guys are just gonna have to see for yourself what happens. Pretty rad, did it in the middle of the day, definitely not the brightest move, but it worked out and we're still here to tell the story. So we're gonna tell it right here, right now. Let's go.
We're gonna go do a dope-ass graffiti mural. And who shows up? None other than the motherfucking Fuzz. Hell yeah, couldn't be a better day to do this. I'm gonna go pick up some spray paint. Let's get it.
Cause a lot of pain, not just for himself and his family, but for others. So I think
we have arrived. Let's go. All right, we are here. Check it out. Some good colors. I think this'll do.
An associate will be with you shortly.
I don't know where the fuck anyone is.
An associate will be with you shortly.
Oh yeah. It's go time. We got what we needed. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna make, but we're about to find out. Rolling up on the spot. Let's see what we got. Where are we going? Here we go. There's the ditch right there. I think that's the spot right there. Right in between those two white marks. Hell yeah, that's dope. Let's get to it. Woo! Yeah! Oh yeah! We made it to the sewer. Our first stop of the journey, the tunnel. Alright, that's the spot right here. Hell yeah. God damn it. Oh, I just sprayed shit through my back. All over my shirt. Is my back covered? Tell me the truth. Am my back covered? Don't lie to me. No, it's covered. Ay, caramba. Alright, we made it to the spot. And that's where we're going. Let's get after it. Got no more shirt. Another thing, the teal I bought is already clogged. I don't even know how. I barely even used it. We're gonna try some crazy shit, alright? I'm just gonna try and explode it on this. Do not try this at home, kids. Holy fuck, covered in paint. God damn, that's one way to burn through a can of paint. We got our background. That's kind of sick. That's the moon right there. Oh yeah. Almost done. About to do some black line work. And then we're gonna have to come check this back out tomorrow in the AM. That's a wrap, yo. We'll be back tomorrow to check this out. It is a beautiful day. We are out to go check out how the piece turned out. Got my trusty camera. We're gonna go take some final shots of it. They are sayonaras. Yeah, you know, we're just on the bike, soaking in some of that vitamin D. Hee doggy. I see it. All right. That looks sick. Damn, this is beautiful. All right, I'm gonna get some shots of this. Check it out. That's a wrap. This thing turned out pretty sweet. Definitely fun to make. I'm stoked with it. Definitely be doing some more of this. Always love having a big open space. Well, I'm headed this way and you're going that way, so I'll catch you later.